Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to science lesson. Today we want to learn about pet animals. Why we call them pet animals? Because some animals are kept at home by humans as a friend and are treated nicely. So, we will learn about different kinds of pet animals and their characteristics. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a cat. Cats can jump up to 6 times their height. They have a total of 18 toes. Cats sleep for around 13 to 16 hours a day. 1 year of a cat's life equals to 15 years of a human's life. This is a dog. Dog noses are at least 40 times more sensitive than ours. A baby dog is called a pup or puppy. Dogs eat both meat and vegetables, often mixed together with other ingredients and sold in store as dog food. This is a turtle. Turtles are omnivores. They eat fruit, plants, insects. Turtles can't move very fast. Turtles can live for a long time. In fact, the world's oldest turtle is celebrating his 191st birthday this year. Turtle shells made up of over 50 bones. Next, we have fish. This is a fish. Fish are a kind of animal that lives in water. Fish breathe through their gills. Scales help fish to swim. Fish are speedy. Most fish eat other smaller fish. Last, we have bird. This is a bird. Birds' bodies are covered with feathers and they have wings. Birds have a hard beak with no teeth. Birds use lots of energy, so they need to eat a lot of food compared with their weight. Most birds can fly, but some birds run or swim, like penguins. Now we will play Guess the Animal game, and it's about pet animals. So the rules is, you will read the clues carefully and you will guess the pet animals. Try your best and win a present. The first one is, it's a man's best friend. It makes the sound woof woof. What is it? And the answer is dog. Good job. Next one is, it has colorful feathers and it can fly. It makes the sound tweet tweet. Yes, the answer is bird. The next one is, it's flexible and it can jump from high places. It makes the sound meow meow. And the answer is cat. Good job, friends. Now the next one, it has a hard shell on its back. It is slow on land but fast in water. The answer is turtle. Next one is, it has colorful scales and gills to breathe. It has fins to swim fast in water. And the answer is fish. Good job, friends, for answering my games. Now, for your activity, you will tell a story about your pet in front of the class. Thank you, friends. Good job and see you again next time. Bye-bye.